Since 1972, Multi Craft Contractors, Inc. has been an industry leader in manufacturing high-quality electrical control panels and electrical assemblies. Our 10,000 square foot state-of-the-art control panel facility and our experienced technicians enable us to handle control panel projects of any size or complexity. We offer design, assembly, wiring, and quality testing, ensuring that your control panel designs are executed to your exact specifications. We provide high-quality solutions for general use industrial control panel applications. We build, test, and ship complex automation control designs to meet your business requirements and ensure your equipment and processes operate at peak efficiency and exceed your expectations. Our capabilities span across design-build projects, documentation packages, final assembly of machines, controls integration, and prototyping. We provide motor control center (MCC) rebuilds, functionality testing, quality inspections, device and instrument setup. Our certifications include UL 508A, UL 698A, and ISO 9001:2015. We're used for air handling equipment, amusement park rides, power panels, food and beverage, government, industrial, manufacturing, material handling, military, packaging, pet food, pharmaceutical, robotics power panels, science, technology, water and wastewater treatment applications. We offer cutting-edge technology solutions for your control panel needs. Contact us today.